The topic of today's video is how to change the payment account on Google Play Store. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to navigate to our settings. So for me, it would be swiping down to the taskbar here and clicking on the settings cog. That'll bring you to settings and you'll scroll all the way down till you see Google. Now here in Google, what we want to do is click on our name or our profile name. And then we want to click on manage accounts on this device. Here we want to click on Google again. And then we want to click on whichever account is signed in. Then we want to click on the three dots on the top right. And then it's remove account. And unfortunately, this is the only way that I know of to do this. So it's going to default to the next account. If you have a lot of accounts, you're going to end up having to remove a lot of accounts to get to the one that you want. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.